Hi, this is Greg at Simplified Software, and today we are going to learn how to set up email and faxing. We're using Broker Advantage 9.1, and in Broker Advantage 9.1 we go to Utilities, System Setup, and you can see in the tabs here that email and fax will go there, and there's three blocks, if you will, of fields that have different information in it. The top block we need to set up for either faxing or emailing, and it has SMTP host, and that you get from your ISP, and that's where how you send emails and faxes. So in this particular case it's smtp.comcast.net. Then I put in the email address, and that's Greg at simplifiedsoftware.net. And the next two fields are used for mail authentication. Now, how do you know if you have mail authentication, you need it or not? It works with this checkbox down here. Well, what you'd have to do is call your ISP and ask them. Now, I can tell you that AT&T does use mail authentication. So in that case, you would talk to them and they would give you your account ID and your password, and you'd put that here. And then by doing that, you'd want to come down here and check on mail authentication. I want to bring your attention also down to this mail port number. The default is typically 25, but with everything that's going on in the internet, a lot of ISPs require a different number, and I believe AT&T as well requires 571, so you would change this. Since we're down here, let's talk about this CC email, and what that does, if you put in an email address, every email you send will also send a second email to that email address, so you can have like a backup copy. This mail Ssl encryption is used, as it says, for encryption. Again, your ISP would have to tell you if you need that. Now this is a Broker Advantage feature. This is prompt on finishing. So when a fax or email finishes, it will stop and tell you that it has sent successfully or not, and you'll say OK to it. Now remember, if you're sending, for example, shipper confirmations, and there's 10 shipper confirmations, you're going to go OK, 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 OK to each one of those. So it's something you can turn on or off. Down here at the bottom is the fax setup. This bottom one that says fax address, you actually can't change. We use NextTBF Fax to send faxes via email. And when you sign up for NextTBF Fax, the email address that you used, you'll put in here. And that's it. You know now how to set up emails and faxing. Thank you.